Let's put a south of the border spin on an old favorite for this week's recipe. You may be used to the standard cabbage roll or even our super delicious unstuffed cabbage soup in the 2030 Fasttrack program, but do you know how much of a nutrition powerhouse cabbage is? Cabbage contains insoluble fiber, which keeps the digestive system healthy by providing fuel for friendly bacteria and promoting regular bowel movements. Cabbage contains powerful antioxidants that may help reduce inflammation. Cabbage is a low-calorie vegetable that is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Who needs a tortilla when you can stuff cabbage leaves full of delicious chicken, cheese, and green chilies for a healthy meal? Ingredients: 1 large head of cabbage, 1.5 tablespoons olive oil, 1/2 cup finely diced white onion, about 1/4 large white onion, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon ancho chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon cumin, 1/2 teaspoon sea salt, 1.5 pounds boneless skinless chicken breasts, diced into small bite-sized pieces, or pre-cooked shredded chicken, 1 4-ounce can diced green chilies, 1¼ cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 2 cups of store-bought enchilada sauce. Instructions. To prepare the cabbage rolls. 1. Fill a large pot with hot water and bring to a boil over medium-high heat. While water is coming to a boil, remove 10 to 12 whole cabbage leaves from a raw head of cabbage and rinse under cold water. Place 1 to 2 cabbage leaves in the boiling water and blanch for 1 minute. Remove from boiling water and transfer to a large bowl full of ice water. Remove from ice water after 30 seconds or when cool enough to handle. Continue until all the cabbage leaves have been blanched. To prepare the chicken filling. 1. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In large sauté pan, heat olive oil over medium-high heat. Add diced onions and sauté for 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. 2. Add diced chicken, green chilies, onion powder, garlic powder, ancho chili powder, cumin and salt. Sauté for 6 to 8 minutes, stirring occasionally, or until the chicken is cooked through. Remove from heat and set aside. To assemble the enchiladas. 1. Lay out the blanched cabbage leaves and spread some of the chicken mixture in the middle. Top with 2 tablespoons of cheese, roll them up, fold in the edges and place seam down in a large baking dish. Repeat with the remaining ingredients. 2. Pour the enchilada sauce on top of the enchiladas and bake uncovered for 25 minutes. 3. Remove from oven. 4. Garnish with cilantro, diced tomatoes and avocados if desired. 5. Serve immediately. Makes 10 servings. Learn how to drop up to 2 sizes in 2 weeks with 2030 Fasttrack and enjoy great food in the process. Members from all over the nation have reported massive weight loss by balancing hormones with the 2030 Fasttrack program. Now it's your turn. Go now to www.magicalwellness life